Hi there! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be talking about how to promote Digistore24 products on Facebook. Without wasting any time, let's jump into it. So as you can see, I am on the Digistore24 website. Of course, you need an account here to promote their products. If you don't have an account yet, you can just simply go to digistore24.com and just click on the Get Started button to sign up. Once you have signed up, just log into your account. And when you're here on this page, make sure that you are viewing it as an affiliate. So just click on this button and click on Affiliate. Then, click on Marketplace. After that, you will be able to see products that you can promote already. But you can also filter the products here based on your preferred niche. So let's say under digital products, let us select family and children. So you will see different digital products here under your selected niche. And when you click on this arrow, you will see more information about the product, including the price, the commission percentage, and your potential earnings every time someone clicks on your link and buy from it. So to get the link, just click on Promote Now. And then just copy this link. Then let's just try to open another tab. So this will be your landing page. You can also make your link shorter, just not to make it look a little messy. So you can go to tinyurl.com, paste the link here, then click on Shorten URL. As you can see, we already have a shorter and nice looking link here. Let's just copy that. Now let's go to Facebook. So you can directly promote it here in your feed, but what I suggest that you do is to search for a word related to the product you are promoting. So here in the search bar, let's type in parenting since our product is about that. And then click on groups. As you can see, there are a bunch of Facebook groups related to parenting with thousands of members. These people are your potential buyers. So you can post in those groups, or you can also send a direct message to them. For example, here if we click on people, we will see all the members of this group, including the ones who recently joined. So you can send them a message and try sending them your Digistore product link. And that's pretty much it. That's how you can promote Digistore24 products on Facebook. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for joining us today and see you in our next video.